Mr. President, Sir, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, we are going to consecrate our words to our homeland in the form of holding an event on Pakistan Independence Day. Dear audience, 14th August is the day of independence of Pakistan and the day to stand up together singing the national songs, delivering speeches and raising the sounds of proclaiming that we are Pakistani. Yes, of course. This is a devotional day for all Pakistani nationals, not only in Pakistan but also for those Pakistanis who are sitting in abroad countries. The reason is that Pakistan is our unique recognition on the map of the world. The reason is before the formation of a separate country for subcontinental Muslims, no one respects the real religious rights of Muslims. One of the big issues between Hindus and Muslims was the difference between their living styles, their rituals, their foods as well as their litanies. If Muslims used to eat cow meat, the Hindus used to adore the cow. Muslims bow before Allah and Hindus bow before stones, Bhagwan. Moreover, Hindus were superior in amount while Muslims were a few and helpless. So in these hurdles, one man sees a dream of independence and aims to make his dream come true. So after a lot of efforts and sacrifices, Pakistan came into being. On this important day, our school management decided to hold an event for refreshing our minds to love our lovely homeland Pakistan. The program firmly begins with the recitation of the Holy Quran. We realize the remembrance of Allah gives satisfaction to the hearts. I invite Muhammad Faizan from class 7 to come on the stage and enlighten our hearts and minds by reciting the Holy Quran. Farnate Rasuli Maqbool Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Muhammad Awais from class 9 came on stage and lit up the party. Friends, this country is not just a country. This is the interpretation of Hazrat Iqbal's dream. This is a picture of all the emotions of Quaid Azam. Now, Shiza Ahmed from class 10th present to you a sweet song, Ye Watan Tumhara Hai. Now, in front of you, Kinza Bibi from class 8 comes on stage to deliver a marvelous speech on the topic of Jashn-e-Azadi aur Hum. On a beautiful Milli song, beautiful children of class prep come on the stage to present a wonderful performance on a Milli song. Bushra Bibi from class 7 comes to you to deliver an excellent speech on the theme of Independence Day. At the end of the program, we have organized a quiz called Pakistan Quiz, in which questions have been arranged keeping in mind the important and basic information about Pakistan. 4 teams will appear in front of you: Team A, Team B, Team C and Team D. They will be asked various questions about Pakistan and the winning team will be awarded a prize, any of which no member of the team will be able to answer. So he turned to the audience and asked them if they can answer this question, they will deserve the prize. At the end, we request you all to stand up for the national anthem. Thank you all for coming.